Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. Here I'm going to show you how you can make Windows 11 faster in 15 seconds. If you're feeling your PC is a little sluggish, you don't need a new computer, you just need to stop Windows from working so hard. And here I'm going to show you how you can easily make your window faster. What you need to do is just press on Windows button on your keyboard and also the pause break button until this open, the system and about opened. And after that, you can just click on the advanced system settings, click on this, and then click under the performance, click on settings. And now you can just enable this one, adjust for best performance, like this. After that, you can hit on apply, and that's it. After that, your PC will perform better. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.